Hi guys, in today's video I'm sharing my highly requested skincare routine, so make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss a tip. Also, before we start, don't forget to check my links below for my website, free beauty secrets, and a $10 ebook that shares secrets I don't share on my YouTube channel. So first up is washing my face. I like to do this both in the morning and at night, and right now you guys are going to notice I have such a simple skincare routine, and that's because I'm giving my skin a break from all the products, everything like that. So it's important for me to get very gentle hypoallergenic products. So I've been using the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, and I just take about a quarter size amount in my hand and I gently apply it. Then I just like to pat dry my face with a soft plush towel. Next, I like to use a toner on my face, and this has been a game changer for me. I will link every product that I use down below, but this is a Target brand version of the original that I'll link down below. I just couldn't find it in the store, so I opted for this. And I like to apply this all over my face after I wash it. It gets rid of any excess dirt that I may have missed, and I apply this with a cotton ball. I buy these for like $1. I'll list them down below, and I just like to pour about a quarter size amount onto the cotton pad and then rub it over my whole face. Let it sit for about a minute before rinsing with warm water. Now, usually I do this process twice, but since my skin has been irritated and breaking out from a previous product I used, I only did it once before rinsing. Next up is a product I've been recently trying on my skin just to help with the redness, irritation, and it has honestly been soothing my skin so well. It is the Teamy Tea Infused Oil in Lavender and Sage. I usually use this right after my toner, or I will put it on before bed. You can also use it before makeup, but it's pretty much just a blend of all natural oils. And I think it's so cool that you can actually see the natural products in the bottle. And since I love my natural ingredients, I saw on the back of the box it explains what lavender, white sage, and blue tansy essential oil can do for the skin, so I was all for it. To apply this, I just add 4 or 5 drops in the palm of my hand and fingertips, and then apply it in circular motions throughout my face and my neck. And a hack when applying any type of facial oil: take your time, give your face a massage, rub it in, etc. Also, a little hack, I like to apply face oil at night, and this Soothe Lavender Sage Oil really just helps cool my skin. It's super lightweight, so you can also wear it during the day, but I find that applying it at night before I go to bed has me waking up with the best results. Now, before I show you my lotion, there is one thing I've been using for years, which is my Clean and Clear Acne Spot Treatment. I will link it down below. I get mine off Amazon. I'll link the best price, which I get, and I apply this on any breakouts or pimples that I don't want on my face, and it usually clears it up within a few days. Now, as far as my current face lotion, I've been using this Purity Moisturizer, and I will link it down below. Super light, super simple, and I like to apply this all over my face. Alright guys, that was my skincare routine, my very simple current skincare routine. I hope you guys liked it. I recommend all these products to you guys and I hope it helps. Comment down below any products that you guys love and let me know what you want to see from me next. Thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell button, and I'll see you very soon for a new video. Mwah.